Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be slightly different where I'm going to share my products that I regret buying so that you don't have to waste your hard-earned money, and I've already wasted mine. These are the products that I would suggest you to stay away from it or give a second thought. Some were hyped products, some were new launches. When I had gotten them, people were raving about it. That's the reason I got all these products. I personally like watching these sort of videos because then I can avoid buying all those products. In no means I'm bashing any of these brands. Some of the brands are like my favorite brands, but it's just that particular product didn't work for me. Also would like to put up a disclaimer: skincare and makeup are subjective. Something that works for you might not work for me, or vice versa. So if any of these products worked for you, or if any of these products are your favorites, then it's really good that it works for you. Without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, or if this is the first time you're seeing me, hi, I'm Rasika. I make content related makeup, skincare, haul, lifestyle, etc. If that's something that interests you, then please be subscribe to my channel and be a part of this family, and also hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And without now wasting any time, let's quickly get into the video. So the very first product is this Deconstruct Soothing Cleansing Balm. Oh my god, ये product लोगों ने इतनी ज़्यादा तारीफ कर रखी थी. This product had gotten viral, and how? That's the reason I got influenced and purchased it. This is the Deconstruct Soothing Cleansing Balm. It has 0.1% bisabolol and 1% oat oil. It says it dissolves waterproof makeup and sunscreen, gently cleanses, moisturizes and calms the skin, lightweight and non-greasy. It's a 50-gram product, and it was not that cheap as well. I think I got it for 400 rupees or so. I'm gonna pop the price on the screen. I'm always in a lookout for some good cleansing balm. I keep trying the new launches because not all the cleansing balm or cleansing oil works for you. Sometimes some breaks out for you, or sometimes it doesn't remove the waterproof mascara, etc. So that's the reason I got it. Oh my god, this does remove all the makeup that I want to say. It removes very easily the waterproof mascara and everything, but it says it's non-greasy. No, it is greasy. You feel like you have a oil on your face. And also you need to like really double or triple cleanse with a face wash because that oil residues, you still feel you're not feeling fresh. But that's not the only problem. The main problem is it burns my eyes. It stings my eyes so badly. You want to look out for a good cleansing balm only because you want to break down that waterproof mascara. Base products या lipstick तो कोई भी average cleansing balm कर लेता है. So the main idea is to remove your eye makeup without burning or without leaving any residue. That's what I at least look for in a cleansing balm. But this burns my eyes so badly. Like I'm not going to use this product only on my face and then use a different cleansing balm on my eyelids. So this product I literally finished it. इसमें शायद एक और दो uses ही अगर बचा रहेगा. I also broke the cap because I traveled with it. The cap is not that secure. So yeah, I mean, this is the first product that I got from Deconstruct, and I absolutely didn't like it. So I don't think I'm gonna try any other product from this brand as of now because I'm really highly disappointed with this. If you guys also have a sensitive skin and sensitive eyes, I would say stay away from this cleansing balm because it burned the hell out of my eyes. Your eyes become red or watery, and even after washing my face, my eyes are like little burning for about like 2 to 5 minutes, and my eyes are red for at least another half an hour. So why would I like use this product? So yeah, I absolutely am not going to repurchase this, and I wouldn't recommend if you have a sensitive eyes as well. The next product is again super hyped, and this is the Lakme Lumi Cream. So this is the first one that they have launched. I'm not sure now they have come up with a different shade or what, but this only came in one shade when I got it. ये भी almost खत्म हो चुका है, थोड़ा ही बचा है. Like I said, I almost like to use all the products that I got even if it doesn't work for me. मतलब कुछ हद तक अगर मुझ पे काम किया, if it didn't break my skin out or anything like that, I try to use the product. I don't like to waste any products. It says moisturizer with a highlighter, and ये product like इतना ज़्यादा वायरल हुआ था guys when this was launched. It was marketed as like strobe cream, MAC का dupe है. It gives you a beautiful illuminating base sort of a thing, but it didn't do anything. It's just like a heavy duty moisturizer with little bit of sheen going on. It's a good thing that it doesn't have a chunky glitter particle, but no, this is not a dupe of MAC strobe cream or any illuminating base like the Swiss Beauty one or the Mass Cosmetic one. या तो अभी तो बहुत सारे brands करने लगे illuminating base. But अगर आपको strobe cream चाहिए तो you need to go with another like strobe cream for that dewy glow, because this doesn't even last long. Like अगर आपने इसको लगाया और फिर 5 मिनट के बाद if you're applying a foundation or doing your base, this is already gone. It doesn't serve the purpose. Let me give you a swatch. अगर थोड़ा definitely बचा. Any which ways मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ले लिया, but let me give you a swatch. This first of all has a pink tones towards it, but it doesn't matter. ये ज़्यादा देर कुछ टिकता नहीं है. So like you guys can see, I've blended it, and you can still see some like a little bit of dewy thing, but it's because I've just applied it. 5-10 मिनट के बाद ये पूरा ही गायब हो जाता है. So yeah, I mean dry skin people definitely are not gonna like it, and even for me a combination skin मुझे इतना काफ़ी नहीं है. I need a like heavy duty strobe cream. I like that dewy base. So ये इतना viral गया था, but it's not worth it. I'm definitely not repurchasing it. Then the next is the makeup setting spray. ये कुछ इतना famous नहीं था. I mean this was not a hyped up product or anything. It's just I got it because Inside Cosmetics launched a makeup setting spray. So I always look out for the affordable good picks. So that's the reason I got it. ये अभी तक पूरा है, मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया. एंड इट्स ऑल्सो 125 ml. सो आई वॉज लाइक इतना बड़ा क्वान्टिटी ऑफ सेटिंग स्प्रे ऑन अ बजट अगर काम कर गया तो इट्स गोना बी अ थम्स अप, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट डिडंट वर्क. So this is the Inside Cosmetics makeup setting spray. I'm not sure whether they have any other setting spray, but this is 125 ml, 24 hours smudge free makeup setting spray. Smudge proof, transfer proof, matte finish, lock your makeup, all day wear, soothe and refresh the skin. Oh my god, the claims are mouthful. This was very affordable and I got it like about 3-4 months back. मैंने इसको कम से कम 5-6 बार यूज़ करने की कोशिश की होगी. First of all, it does have a fragrance. The fragrance initially does bother you, but because it doesn't linger, I can look past the fragrance but इतना strong fragrance की setting spray में ज़रूरत नहीं है. Also the smell is like some hair spray. I mean, you know, like hair products में कैसे smell करते हैं वैसा है. Like I don't see it's safe to use it on your skin, especially if you're sensitive skin. Second thing why I don't like is the spray. The spray is not gentle, like it's not a fine mist, and the first mist एक blot की तरह आता है. Like a first mist is like a blot ऐसा आता है. I don't know how to explain. So when I spritz it, I don't know whether I can show you, but do you see this tiny dots? ये face पे ऐसा आता है, and I've used it multiple times to test it out, and I did all the permutation and combination, but ये जो dots ये छोड़ता है, like you can see this, यहाँ पे जो इसने डॉट छोड़े हैं ये वैसा का वैसा ही ड्राई हो जाता है. सो यू हैव दिस patches of the setting spray going on your face, which is very difficult to remove also. So imagine you've done the full face of makeup and you at the end of your makeup this patches just remains. You're gonna be so disappointed because you're gonna be late for your thing wherever you want to go, and you're gonna be so disappointed. So like I literally have to scrape these patches out, like literally do this. When you do this and try to remove those patches, you're obviously your base makeup or your makeup is gonna move, and it's such a mess. I don't know why they came up with this formula. It didn't break me out as such. मतलब इसका फ्रेग्रेंस इतना आ रहा है, मतलब ऐसा पूरा महक गया एज इफ लाइक मैंने कुछ कैंडल लिट किया हो मेरे रूम में. यू गाइस लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो इफ यू हैव यूज्ड दिस एंड इफ इट वर्क फॉर यू. इट ऑब्वियसली डिडंट वर्क फॉर मी, और मैं इसको सोच रही हूँ कैसे यूज़ करने का, बिकॉज ये क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई डोंट वांट टू थ्रो इट. सो हाउ आई थिंक आई एम गोना वर्क इज, एंड आई हैव बीन मेकिंग दिस वर्क इज, whenever I want to dampen my sponge, I like to use this setting spray to dampen the sponge as opposed to dampening it it with water, so that way it works nicely. So that's how I'm using it, because I've gotten it. You don't need to buy this just to dampen your sponge, so you can like refrain from buying this product. So that's that. Product that I'm going to talk about is from Cuffs and Lashes. Please guys, apologize me if the products that I'm going to show you are some of your favorites. No means I'm saying that the brand is not good. I love like their makeup brushes are like something that I love. They are my staple. I love Cuffs and Lashes, some of the products, but these products that I'm going to show you are sadly didn't work out for me. The first thing is this Cuffs and Lashes lipstick, bullet lipstick that she came up just a while back. I think 1 साल हुआ रहेगा इसको आके. I really got intrigued because of the packaging. It looked like the Bobbi Brown ka rip-off kind of a thing. That's the reason I basically got it. It's very tiny, so I also thought ki tiny lipsticks are really good because you run out of them and hardly you finish any lipstick. So I'm always in lookout for mini lipsticks like this. So that's the reason I got it. But first of all, the packaging is not that good. I tried to use this and like isko मैं almost खत्म कर चुकी हूँ. The shade is Bare Doodle. Again, this shade I really don't like it. It's my mistake that I got this shade. I'm no means saying that this shade is bad, but these kind of shade doesn't suit for me. This has like a purpley undertone, and these kind of purple undertone lipstick just absolutely I hate it. So that's the reason. So you can see this is the shade, and these kind of shades I don't like it, but I'm not mad because of the shade. The packaging is really bad. Like when you're trying to apply, this bullet kind of goes in. So see, like see. So अगर आपने apply करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो लिपस्टिक को, ये ऐसा अंदर चला जाता है. I don't know whether you are able to understand. Like I'm trying to apply and this is just going in. So first of all, the packaging is flimsy. The cap is okay, but तो इसको अप्लाई करने के लिए आपको ना बहुत मेहनत लगती है. बार बार इसको ट्विस्ट करना पड़ता है, अप्लाई करना पड़ता है, अगेन ट्विस्ट करना पड़ता है, अप्लाई करना पड़ता है. एंड दिस इज अ क्रीमी लिपस्टिक. इट ट्रांसफर्स, इट स्मजेस. इवन इफ आई ब्लॉट इट विद अ टिश्यू पेपर, it does transfer smudges all over. So how I like to use it, I like to use it instead of a lip balm and apply a liquid lipstick over it. That's how I like to use it, and the lipstick lasts quite long also. So yeah, I mean, I didn't like it. I'm sorry if you guys like this lipstick. So that's that. And another product that I got from Cuffs and Lashes, again I didn't like it, is this eyeshadow palette. This is the Cuffs and Lashes Handy Dandy palette. I thought okay, why not try, give it a try. मुझे लगा handy रहेगा traveling के लिए. So I got this shade Orange Pixies. So this is the palette. First of all, the palette looks cheap. The packaging looks cheap. It looks like that watercolor that you used to use when you were a kid, at least when I was a kid growing up. And it's very difficult to open. Like बहुत struggle लगती है guys इसको open करने में. It's not at all easy to open. So traveling के लिए I'm not gonna waste such time. See,
it's such a struggle in real time. I'm showing you.
Oh my god, I'm not even sure. Like मैंने इसको इसीलिए इसकी वजह से वापस try भी नहीं किया है, क्योंकि
इतनी जल्दी में who would have this much of time to open? God, guys, I can't even show you the.
God. It also came up with a brush like this, which is like I can't even use this brush for a lip contour or something. It's again a useless brush. So okay, I'm not judging the product for that. Again, the first time I opened this product, this pan kind of came out. Again, I don't. It's such a mess, guys. Do you see? It's.
Everything is a mess.
Oh my god, it's all over the place. Again, this palette, again this eyeshadow also fell off. मैंने packaging की वजह से इसको judge नहीं किया. Then again, इसका pigmentation मुझे कुछ खास नहीं लगा. It looks very shimmery and very cheap quality. And this matte shades are like kickback इतना ज़्यादा है, and they feel very chalky. Like, do you guys see? It's very chalky and there are like a lot of fallouts. The shimmer shade looks very shimmery and kind of a cheap looking. So it was not that cheap. I mean, ये प्राइस में Swiss Beauty और Mask के eyeshadows बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे क्वालिटी में आते हैं. The chalkiness of this eyeshadow feels very cheap. That's what I'm trying to say. So all in all, like I don't know, like it was such a waste of money for me. Like if she has another eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Shy Styles. That palette, however, is very good, but this palette I would not recommend you guys buying it. I'm really sorry if this worked for you. It sadly didn't work for me, and it's a total waste of money for me. Moving on, I have few lipsticks. I'm really sorry, don't come at me guys if this lipstick is something that's your favorite. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie Double XL lipstick. ये lipstick इतना ज़्यादा hyped था a while ago. All the YouTube influencers, even my favorite YouTube influencers, were raving about this lipstick when it launched. This shade in particular, Warm Up, is something that everyone was raving about. So obviously I got influenced. This product is something that I got influenced and I bought it. ये इतना cheap product भी नहीं है. I think it's about for 899 rupees, and even मुझे ये product कहीं पे भी sale पे नहीं मिला. Oh my god, this is the kind of lip shade that I love. It's like a warm peach nude lipstick that goes for our dusky skin tone people. I'm running out of places to swatch you, so I'm gonna swatch in this hand. So this is the shade. Applies like such a moussey, you know that Maybelline Superstay Ink lipstick, you know how it applies like a creamy, like a gloss. It applies like a gloss. So this applies like that, but I have like couple of problems with this. The initial application shade मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. This is a sort of a lip shade that I personally love. In about 5 or 10 minutes, it absolutely changes its color. So it no longer looks like a peach warm tone nude lipstick. It kind of, again, it completely changes its color and it kind of becomes like a purple undertone lipstick. I have no idea from where the purple undertones come into the lipstick. So 5-10 मिनट के बाद इसका लिप शेड पूरा ही चेंज हो जाता है. There is no peach whatsoever, and I just like before I said, I absolutely don't like purple lipstick or purple undertone lipstick on me personally. बहुत सारे dusky complexion और tan complexion के people love purple lipstick. They pull off very nicely, but that's one shade that I absolutely don't like it. So वहीं पे मेरा तो दिमाग खराब हो गया कि इसका लिप शेड बदला क्यों. It's not something like it oxidized. Like guys, can you see even now it's kind of having a purple undertone. So that was a bummer. And the second, the formula is so shitty. It applies very nicely, but थोड़े मतलब within 2-5 minutes it starts to crack up from my upper lip. Usually lipsticks अगर crack होते तो भी butt hole में, inner lip में crack होते. It cracks up from the outer lip as well. It doesn't even last for 20 minutes, guys. I'm not even kidding. I don't know whether I received a bad product, I received the bad batch or what. I don't know. मेरे को बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं है कि कोई और शेड मैं ट्राई करूँ. Any which ways, this was the only shade that I wanted. So मैं इतने पैसे तो दूसरे शेड में खर्च नहीं करने वाली हूँ. But it on me, it didn't last for 20 minutes. मैंने इसको इतने तरीके से यूज़ किए, with lip balm, without lip balm, with lip liner, with a creamy matte lipstick, with layering it with another liquid lipstick. I have tried it in every permutation combination possible that I could have, but it didn't work. कुछ भी कर लो, ये lipstick 20 minutes से ज़्यादा बिल्कुल last नहीं करता है. It fades away from the upper lip in a very bad patchy manner, and oh my god, I tried to make this work, but this really breaks my heart because it was like 900 rupees का मैंने lipstick खरीदा. Please let me know if you guys also faced, if any of you guys faced such a problem. Sadly, this didn't work out for me, and I don't know why people were raving about this lipstick. So anyways, moving on to next lip shade. This is the Insight Cosmetics Matte Lip Serum. Unfortunately, I wouldn't bash this lip range. This lip shade doesn't work on me because this is a peach lipstick. That's what when I say na, peach lipsticks to get for a dusky skin complexion is so difficult. It needs to have that proper nude brown or undertones to it, otherwise it's not gonna work for you. This lip shade looks so bright. I mean, again, I've tried to use this lip shade in so many ways, with the lip contour, with layering, with adding a little bit of warm browns to it. कुछ भी मैंने कर लिया, ये लिपस्टिक काम नहीं किया बिकॉज इट इज सो ब्राइट ऑन अ स्किन टोन. समवन फ्रॉम फेयर स्किन टोन कैन मे बी पुल दिस ऑफ. फिर भी मुझे लग रहा कि ये शेड काफ़ी ब्राइट रहेगा उनके लिए भी. आई एम नॉट श्योर बट दिस शेड इज सुपर ब्राइट फॉर मी इवन आफ्टर लाइक contouring my lip with lip line etc. This lip shade did look very bad on me, so that's that. And I don't know whether you guys saw when I initially pulled out this lipstick, इसका सीरम और लिपस्टिक दोनों ब्रेक हो जाता है. ऊपर पूरा ऐसा वाटरी ऑयली रहता है और नीचे पूरा लिपस्टिक सेपरेट हो जाता है when you store the lipstick in upright position. So I'm not sure whether it's safe, whether the formula has gone rancid. This lipstick, sadly, I'm gonna throw it off. It absolutely didn't work for me, so that's that. Then another hyped up product is from Inside Cosmetics again. Oh my god, I have so many products that I love from Inside Cosmetics, but sadly मैंने already ये वीडियो में 3 products दिखा दिए. This is the Pore Minimizer Primer. This is the product, and this was so overhyped, like a rip-off or dupe of Benefit Pore Professional Primer. This also comes in a green tube. If you guys remember, which exactly looks like the Benefit वाला primer. I have used that product and I have completely finished it. मुझे वो primer काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. And there were like few people raving about this white वाला packaging, so I thought let me give this a shot. This is so bad. The consistency and all is very good, no problem whatsoever. Like let me show you. मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा इसका consistency. You can see it's light pink in color and it's really soft and blurs out your skin. Even your makeup sticks on it very nicely. You guys can see like ये जगह पे काफ़ी अच्छा mattifying blurring sort of a finish आया है. But this broke me out. मैंने इसको इतनी बार यूज़ करने की कोशिश की. Every time I've used this, I've seen comedons on my forehead, breaking out on my cheeks. So this again sadly didn't work out for me. If you are a sensitive skin family, I would say please stay away from this primer. The other primer, the green one, works very nicely, but this one sadly no, it broke me out. So मैं इसको use again मैंने इसको किया नहीं है. I'm gonna like throw it off after this video probably, because if something breaks me out, I'm not gonna use it. Yeah, come on. And guys, don't come at me. This is again another viral product. This is the Mars Double Trouble Mascara. So this is that fancy dual applicated wala mascara. I featured this in my purple haul, and if you guys watch that video, you guys might have found my voice to be nasal because I was having a cold that time, and that's the reason when I said कि इसमें कोई fragrance नहीं है, which is a good thing. But sadly, once my cold subsided, when I started to use this product, this has such a strong floral scent to it. I mean, why would you need a scent or a fragrance in a mascara? That is something that I don't understand. And this fragrance lasts and lingers for quite some time. So it's really annoying. Eyes में आप continuously आ रहा है, तो it does trigger my headache, and sometimes I even gotten migraines because of the mascara. Oh my god, problems life में already कम है क्या कि ये सब use करके migraine में trigger करो. Oh my god, that's something that I absolutely don't want. So that's the first thing. The outer packaging is very nice. It looks luxurious. It does feel little heavy. It has that luxurious feel. Let's come to the applicator part. So it has the step 1, step 2 thing, one for length, one for volume. Problem with this is, first of all, it's a waterproof mascara, but ये पानी के साथ tubes में निकलता है. I don't know whether it's a tubing mascara or not. No matter how much of a oil cleanser you're using, it doesn't come off with that. Only with water वो tube में निकलता है, and your drain and your bathroom, your face, everything looks messy, black. हर जगह पे हो जाता है. Okay, I can get past it. But if you see this applicator, the applicator and all looks very nice and stuff, but ये इतना ज़्यादा flexible है guys. Like, do you guys see? बहुत ही ज़्यादा flexible है. The volume side as well and the length side as well. And इसका लेंथ भी काफ़ी लंबा है. अगर ये छोटा होता ना, I would have gotten the precision and like control to apply it. ये इतना flexible और इतना बड़ा wand होने की वजह से मेरे lashes कोट ही नहीं होते. It's just constantly moving. तो आई एम समवन हु डजंट लाइक दैट फ्लेक्सिबल वॉन्ड पर से, लाइक मैं इवनली एप्लीकेशन नहीं कर पाती हूँ एंड द फॉर्मूला इज़ वेरी वेट. आई एम नॉट श्योर विद द फॉर्मूला इज गोना गेट ड्रायर विद टाइम. पीपल से कि आफ्टर 6 months ऑफ दिस इट गेट्स ड्रायर, सो प्रॉबेबली आई ट्राई टू यूज इट in some time after months if the formula gets drier. So अभी क्या हो रहा है, ये formula भी बहुत ही runny and बहुत ही liquid है, plus the wand is flexible. So even application तो होता ही नहीं है, it gets messier, like तुम्हारे eyelids में लग जाता है, ऊपर लग जाता है, spreads everywhere. Application is messier, the removal is messier, it has fragrance, so no, I mean sadly it didn't work for me. I'm not gonna repurchase. Even if it works after 6 months after drying, I'm still not gonna repurchase, and I would suggest you guys also don't use it. So that was all the products that I had which I regret purchasing, and I wouldn't recommend any of these products for you to try. I just want to show a couple of things before I end this video. Look at this shade, it looks so bad, the shimmery, and it has that shimmer particles, silver, it looks so cheap. And this NYX lipstick kind of dried down. Can you guys see? It's straight up purple lipstick. So yeah, before I end the video, I want to give you guys a quick update. Yeah, I mean, I think we have come to the end of the video, and I apologize if some of the products are your favorites. But at the same time, if any of these products you have used, a kind of a review, please do hit me in the comment section below. I would love to know कि हमारे views match होते हैं. Like this video and found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button and like this video, share this video, and do all that jazz. And I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.